Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to show the demo of our app, Crypto Weeklies. This app is available on Android Studio for early testing and early access. None of the content on this app is financial advice, not financial advice at all. What you have on this app is a summary of all major industries such as crypto, AI, quantum, Bitcoin related equities, and the wider US stock market related indicators. These indicators include the peak value index, which helps identify whether the asset class is in accumulation zone using its own historical risk levels, such as metrics such as how far is the asset away from its previous all-time high and 200-day moving average, such as the leading risk. For example, for this asset class, Bitcoin and ETH uh, inform this score, whereas the lagging one for all major cryptos is now within accumulation zone. Similarly, other indexes include the fear and greed, not just for one section of the asset class, but also for all of them. Also identifying the phase using regression based principles such as the polynomial regression based fair value. Where is right now Bitcoin, which is the flagship crypto? It's in a negative one standard deviation or bear market accumulation phase. Similarly, you can do this for stocks as well, identifying again this one I think it's for AI. AI is right now in a shallow bear market territory using regression principles as well, accounting for diminishing volatility and some growth. Quantum computing, it's in the bullish phase. So this is because the price is slightly higher than the fair value. At this point, this is the mathematically derived fair value. That's why you can see that this is closer to the yellow line. You can have a native Zoom, etc. All of that available over there. US stock market also exhibiting that uh, slight bullish expansion where the price using this S&P 500 as an example over here is now above the uh, fair value, the dotted white line over here, which is the mathematically derived fair value of this asset class. This is tracked since 2020. You can also look at each individual asset in its isolation. So, for example, we were in US stock market, so S&P 500. Then what's the bear case? What's the bull case? What's the lifetime time weighted average price? What's the gravity risk, which is how far is the price action away from the time weighted average price and using its own deviations? What's the gravity risk? Gravity risk informs if the asset has cooled up or heated up. So, for example, crypto right now is in a cooled zone where the gravity risk with respect to the asset class is at 16. So that means it is the second best time to DCA into uh, Bitcoin specifically, not financial advice, using historical price and the time weighted average price as a yardstick. So coming to comparison of this with respect to how is AI gravity risk, what is quantum gravity risk. You can also set up alerts, and there are some default alerts that are configured using when the app is installed itself. So, for example, if somebody wants to know when the accumulation zone is quote unquote over, so this is you can set it and then you will get an alert when this peak value index rises above 40. So these all features are available. No ads, no payment rate required for this app. We just wanted uh, the community to leverage these assets and so leverage these insights. So the Bitcoin equities, so for example, MSTR over here or strategy right now exhibiting that low gravity risk. So its phase identified as max despair over here using that three standard deviation zone over here as a area which typically MSTR visits at the end of the bear market. The price is at that regression channel. So all of this insights on charts format. And you can also, again, shortly will be able to do comparisons amongst different assets, amongst different asset classes. What we have over here is also Galaxies, which is identifying how the shape of one particular asset class is shaping up. So, for example, Bitcoin equities related as asset as a whole has all of these plethora assets in it. What's the overall status of this asset class? Which cryptos are in this golden breakout zone? That means they are which are moving but not stretched with respect to risks. Which ones are in deep accumulation zones? So, for example, MSTR over here, that is typically assets which are quiet but also cheap at this point. Value traps is identifying the assets which are stretched with respect to momentum as well as have uh, greater than a median risk. You can do this for not just one asset class, but also, so for example, Bitcoin over here sits in this golden breakout. So does ETH, Sol, and most of the major crypto, whereas the others are which are in deep accumulation and are identified over here, which are value traps are also identified. Not just the top 20. So what we have in initial initial orbit is about 20 assets, not to crowd it up. Anything outside of top 20 goes in this outer galaxy over here, and then um, same identification of the golden zone, the deep accumulation zone, the Fourier territory, and the value traps. These kind of analytics all available for your mobile app on or any Android device for that matter, and see how this is again connects to YouTube as well as the app guides are available over there. We do release frequent updates. You can export these analytics using the tier sheet over here. You can favorite them if you are interested into, let's say, only Bitcoin, and you can also have a deep dive on over here, what you would like to see, and then have this chart picked as well, and then have another asset. So, for example, from uh, quantum computing, you like this assets for example, and then just go over here rather than looking at the entire app. You'll find these assets over there as well. All of this available for the community, developed using a lot of efforts. Uh, and the way to access this app is available on cryptoweeklies.com. This is the uh, homepage of cryptoweeklies.com. If you go over here and on sidebar, you can see Android Alpha over at the bottom. Just zoomed it in. And over there on Android Alpha over here, um, step one is joining the permissions group and then registering and downloading. It might ask you to join the test group and then register and then download it on the Play Store. Just wanted to highlight this early access for this app. It will most likely be on the app on the Play Store and potentially if and when it's configured as an iOS app on the iOS App Store as well. So just wanted to provide that heads up. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.